Hi everyone, I am Ujjwal and you are watching DigitWise. In this video, I am going to show you how to add friends in Game Center on Mac. So, adding friends in Game Center lets you enjoy multiplayer games, compare achievements, compete on leaderboards, and take part in other social games feature. Once someone accepts your friend request, they will be added in your Game Center friend list, making it easier to play together in supported games. So, to add someone in your friend list in Game Center on Mac, first you need to click on the Apple logo at the top and then choose system settings. Now in the left side pane, scroll down and then go to Game Center. After that, click on show profile, and if you want to add someone in your friend list, then click on add friends, and from here enter the Apple account email address or phone number of the person you want to invite, or select contact if it's available. After that, click on the invite button right to their name, and that's it. Once they accept it, they will automatically appear in the Game Center friend list. So if this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.